Filter dict to contain only certain keys. I've got a dict that has a whole bunch of entries. I'm only interested in a select few of them. Is there an easy way to prune all the other ones out?
Constructing a new dict. Uses dictionary comprehension. If you use a version which lacks them, EA Python 2.6 and earlier, make it dict key, old_dict key, for ... It's the same, though uglier. Note that this, unlike JNNNN's version, for stable performance, depends only on number of your underscore keys, for old_dicts of any size, both in terms of speed and memory. Since this is a generator expression, it processes one item at a time, and it doesn't look through all items of old_dict. Removing everything in place.
Slightly more elegant dict comprehension.
Here's an example in Python 2.6. The filtering part is the if statement. This method is slower than Delman's answer if you only want to select a few of very many keys.
You can do that with project function from my fancy library. Also take a look at select_keys.